This video is a tutorial on how to use the 4-inch Smart Touchscreen. The demo setup includes our system power module, the IoT Smart Gateway, the 8-channel 16A relay switch module, and the 4-inch Smart Touchscreen. Next, we set the dip switches on the touchscreen. Use a screwdriver to gently pry open the back cover. Set the device ID to ID4. After setting the dip switches, install the touchscreen back in place. Next, use a 4-core cable to connect the touchscreen to the system. After powering on the device, this is the default interface. It is a 9-grid layout with 4 available pages. We can power cycle the device and enter the standby page to configure parameters. This password is 123456. Here we can set language, Chinese, English, dim color, screensaver brightness and time, and other parameters. We can also set the number of pages. And edit button labels. In this tutorial, we demonstrate using one page only. Double-click to run the editor software. Create a new project and save it. Then search for the gateway IP. And connect to the gateway. Then this is the system environment we have set up. The gateway, the 8-channel 16A relay switch module, and the 4-inch smart touchscreen. Import all devices with one click. For the touchscreen, we can modify the page number and button quantity. For example, if the project has 5 pages, set the page number to 5. If each page needs 20 buttons, set the button quantity accordingly. In this demo, we only use one page. Next, create the device control points. First, add the relay switch module points. Then create control points for the touchscreen device. And add all touchscreen parts information. All scenes and functions will be stored and bound here. Now we create scenes. For example, an all-on scene. Select the relay parts and choose the on action. Double-click to add all channels. Then create all off scene. And select the off action. Now both scenes are ready. Next, go to the touchscreen binding page. Since the default interface is a 9-grid layout, we set the button quantity to 9. And refresh the configuration. Now we bind the functions. Button 1. Trigger all on scene. Button 2. Trigger all off scene. Buttons 3 to 9 are bound to individual relay channels using toggle control. For status display, select Sync mode so real-time status feedback is shown. Now compile and upload the project. Wait for the gateway to reboot. After reboot, we can control the system using the touchscreen. Button 1 all on. Button 2 all off. Other buttons control individual channels with real-time status feedback.